Members of the Hynniewtrep National Youth Front at a press conference held on 31st July 2023 had clarified on the recent alleged involvement of one of its members in an extortion case after his name had been featured in one of the vernacular dailies in the city. It may be mentioned that a female resident of Maulai had recently received an extortion note of Rs 20 lakh from one Sinshar Kindiat who claimed to be a member of the band outfit the Hnlc. Earning her living as a shopkeeper in the locality, the lady had addressed a mail to Bless Dakar, who is the president of the Hnyf East Khasi Hills unit, to apprise the organization on the demand note allegedly received from the band outfit Hnlc. However, the complaint reached the mailbox of the local vernacular Urupang instead, and the same was flashed in today's edition of the newspaper. To clarify his stand on the matter, the president of the Hnyf East Khasi Hills unit, Bless Dakar, clarified through the media that even though the president of the organization, Sarun Bla, is the interlocutor between the government and the proscribed outfit, the Hnlc, there is however no involvement of himself or the organization in the particular demand note, Imbroglio.
He said that she got a demand rupees 20 lakhs from Hnlc. We are here to clarify that this demand did not come from the Hnlc and that Hnlc and Hnyf are not connected to Sinshar Kamdad. In any way, we want to make clear that this man is not related to the Hnlc in any way, and if anyone here or known about this whereabout, please inform the Hnyf office and action will be taken against him as soon as possible.
Hnyf orang bak badan burung thok shapi mentagaski ban tip halol ke kubor bal sapriang hakirin san bat kilat pathai kubor meninin gasgi kanil kubor along halol kimat ke cingdawa khajana da keseng Hnlc namba area collector jongki Sinshar Kimdei bat ngadei na kashnong shong sa po mulai bat nga la imjok po man panya ya kaying kasam lembaga jingmi na kadukan jonga hamulai hendrai menta la shisnang kinti kajing sosat kalawan shop hakalong ying jongi habang ili opdiang ikishti dawa khajana na kaseng Hynniewtrep National Liberation Council Hnlc lembaga nulu pisa jongi Sinshar Kimdei uni Sinshar Kimdei ulapan koi nungkong ikishti shiti menshua haugnai numbar jong snem arjar we ha ka baula dawa banga dei ban siu arkulak tingka syakaseng Hnlc namata kisnem baro beladem habang la kentan ban siu ganir khajana ka baong bangamdan bangamdan bisa ban siu kat kata kador ka bahe namarnga hapman sai ki khun gikti ban pendam e gayeng kasem uniu priu la berngem penban nga da baong ladangam siu kaseng Hnlc kan sashimno e kaching im jongki bahayeng basem jonga baro da kabang susiat yap yaki hakanu por kabampai perkhat uni ubriu la berngem susu da kabaong kaseng Hnlc kalom hapo kipo jat jongu pakna jongu ba Julius kitbok darphang nem step kat bang nang kali mat kalawan ka phone na po bang ko ba don kata kacing syadawa pisa jom wei kong bat hang ni ngala ila nakaliang upang lasen yang na mag email ba kia kani kacing wa pisa ru la shu ini briu la ha ide daga ka email support upang man mi hang ni kasni ba la thai bon di nakaliang kacing ni dak kacing kendit ba kham di batata namar ba ni kun ki pressure group wat nada hawon nakaliang ni kaseng Hnf bagai Hnlc kalau thung ba sedon bala presiden ba ni ko mo siang bandang bagai Hnlc hendrai ha ka bedi ba kata julu bisa uni Sinshar Kimdei na kalian jungi beseng menehi na smulingo ina dak daga jinglingo o khraw beseng ba mentam ki dang endon ka meeting ba beseng shwa ngin wan chane tina kalian ka jungi ru ni marni kong ilapan jingerap nangi ka seng Hnf ba kami kerteng junga ni ba yes son khap pangan chupli fi ke ye email ko upang ne u enshai kila ta kipai ba isno chan suju ni si NGO sketch Hnf ke ni thai lang mat ki la daga daily ban IFR la daga ta IFR makiru kasuki kampoi kam tri kam te na kalian jungi beseng du ni la jet ban chekri ban yaram ki pai ba ni wa ki kat ka bana i ko jungi